Well, hello there. My name is Hispanic Crow, and thank you very much for tuning in. Congratulations, Tenebrae, we now have ourselves an update to 1.17, but also the availability of the Voicechat mod that was made popular by Hermitcraft. Thank you very much to our very beautiful and magnificent bread for getting it for us. But this video is to show you how to install it. So, if we go in here to my Minecraft launcher, we can see here that I have 1.16.4. I even have the ability to go to 1.17 if I wanted to, but none of that is useful to me. I want 1.17 with Fabric, because that is what we use to get the Voicechat mod to work. So the links to everything, to everywhere that I go, rather, will be in the description of this video. But let's go ahead and get started. So, and now the first thing that we'll need is Fabric. This tutorial will be for Windows, because that's what I have. So sorry if you have something else, but installing Fabric, for Windows at least, is fairly simple. Going to this link, here on this first page, we want to click on this button that says Download Installer Windows.exe. Let me just mute that. So we click this button, it starts to download, we open it, and we come to this screen. Now the installer will automatically install Fabric for us. Pretty handy. Now it defaults to 1.17, which is what we want. This is fine, and install location is fine. So this should default to everything that we want. Totally fine, we just hit the install button. Has been successfully installed. It tells you right here, many mods also require you to put Fabric API into the mods folder. That is true, we do need Fabric API as well. So let's click that. It brings us to this screen. And this link will also be in the description. So when we're on the screen, we'll want to go to Files, this tab here, and we will go to this top one for 1.17. Looks just fine to me. We'll download it. So it downloaded it, and little messages did say, this file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep it or get rid of it? We do want to keep it, and we went to our downloads file, or excuse me, folder to get it. Now, we want to put this into our Minecraft mods folder. To get there, this is how I would suggest doing it. You click in the search bar and you click, or type in %app data %. That opens up this folder, or shows you this folder. You click it, and it brings you to this. The top folder here is .minecraft. That's what we want. Now in here, there may or may not be a mods folder. If there is not one, you do want to create one, and just name it just like this, just mods all lowercase. I do have one because I have all these old mods. Now, what we want to do is move the Fabric API into our mods folder. Excellent. As simple as that. Now, the next step we want to do is get our Voicechat mod, which Brad put in the somewhere in here. Right here. This link will also be in the description. Okay, so that brings us to this here option, and we want to download it. So again, that shows up. It asks if you want to keep it. Yes, we do. We will bring it and move it in here. Now let's give it a try. So we open up our Minecraft launcher, and we should see that now we have this option, Fabric Loader 1.17. That's a very good sign. Click play. Yes. And we'll see if we can, who's online and who's talking. Came up. That's a good sign. So we go to player. Let's go in and see who's online. In the Nether, so if you press V, you get a menu here, and you can change it so that it activates either by your voice or just by holding down a key. By default, that key is the caps lock key, which can be a little bit annoying, but you can change it just by going into Controls, into Options, Controls, scrolling down to the bottom, Voice Chat, Push to Talk is a button right here, and you can change that if you want to. You click it, and I could change it to, I don't know, not M, N? No, period. Let's do period. Why not? So, now it's period. But I currently have it set to just, oh. Hello. A little bit. A little bit. Well. Yes. Quite. Well, yeah, it's pretty spooky. I do love it. It's pretty cool to just be building something and then someone comes up and says hi or whatever. Um, I would say that that's a complete video, and I hope you guys have fun out there, and you know, have no problems installing this mod. Alright, goodbye. Excellent.